how to invite friends to like your own page. So I have in here my own page. So if you want, you can head over and then scroll down. And then we have in here our page, right? So click on this three dots. And then you can see here a lot of options. So I'm going to click on this invite friends option. So this is actually the first method. You can click on this invite friends. Click on continue because it will actually switch your profile of your Facebook account, and then just send it to people. You can also select all of them in order to make this seamless. Then after that, click on this send invite. So another thing that you can do is you can click on this three dots in here again. Then from there, copy the link of your Facebook page. And then from there, just send it to people that you want to send it with. Now, once you have sent it, they should be able to locate that particular page and they should be able to like it. So that's how you invite friends to like your own page. Hope we helped.